Alright, so I'm gonna be doing a breakdown solve of my new PB 5.10 second solve. So I just got this like 10 minutes ago and I want to make a breakdown video. So yeah. I usually make cross on red. So if you look here, we see that the cross pieces are, so one is here, one is here, one is back here, and then another one's here. So what I'm gonna do is I hold it like in this position, and then I'm gonna move this over here. So move this over there so that I can solve this guy. So it will be white and this will be blue. So white and blue. So once I do another turn, it's gonna be solved. And I know that when I move this over and I solve this, I know that this piece will end up here. Which means that this will line up with this color. And I know that this one is already lined up as well. So once I solve the white and blue, when I make another turn, I can just solve the green and the yellow cross pieces. So starting here, I pick it up and I do F and R. And then these are relative to each other. So I'm gonna do one more F. And then I solve this U. And then I do a small R prime. So at this point, I see that this is already paired up, and I also see these two pieces. So I know that once I solve this, I know that these will be set up very nicely for 3-move insertion. So I quickly recognize that, and so I take this pair out, and then I do a cube rotation, and then I solve this back here like this. So as I do that, I know that these are already going to be paired up very nicely, so I quickly just solve that as well. So this goes back here like so, and then I see that this piece will match up with this one, and I also see this one will go with this one. So first I'm gonna solve the left slot. So I'm gonna do a cube rotation, and then I'm gonna take this one out like so, and then I kind of do like a YD prime here, so that I'll be back into this position where all the like the slots are like on the facing front. So I solve this one like so. So once I solve that, I see that I'm gonna get an oil skip just because of the pattern I see. Like I see this bar and then that and that. So once I solve this, I know that I'm gonna get an OLL skip. So I'm expecting a PLL right after I solve this pair. So I do that, and then I get a easy J perm. So yeah.